पोर्तुगालचे प्रधानमंत्री आंतोनियो कॉस्टा गोंय भेटेर आशिल्ले। तांणी मडगांवच्या आपल्या घराक भेट दिली। ह्या वेळार बऱ्याचशा लोकांनी तांची भेट घेतली। अर्डेस्को खातीर मडगांवच्यान मंदार नायक।
Great to have the Prime Minister of a country in my neighborhood. Actually, it's a pride for us, for Goa, because one of our own is leading another country. Normally here we have this antipathy that somebody else leads your country. But there it's, in Europe, it's so open that anybody and everybody can lead any country. So I think we also should work with an open mind and look forward to different ways of leading the country. And I think my other view is, I was just sharing with somebody, that all politicians should be given 2 terms or 3 terms. After that, new faces should come. That's the only way we can bring about change, I feel.
Any memories you have with him?
Huh?
Any memories?
I have sweet memories because he came 40 years ago, and as we were children, he played in this compound. So there's a small memory that goes way back 40 years ago.
Come on, Artem.
Thank you. Obrigado. Muito bem. Viva! Muito prazer. Muito obrigado. Muito obrigado.
Viva, se pode.
Deus.
Viva! Viva, viva, viva!